In this video I'm at Cannop Cycle Centre and I'm going to be riding some of the downhill trails. The downhill trail's name is Ski Run. I'm going to be doing the top section by myself, and the middle and the bottom section I'm going to be doing with Josh and Reese. At the start of the trail here you can see they have some jumps. They're quite big and hard to clear, but they're still fun. Here is the very start of the trail and let's see what it's like. As it's been raining quite a lot recently, there are a few puddles around, but it isn't too bad. You might be able to see that the first section starts off slow, but the middle and final section you can pick up some quite good speed. In a few spots it is a bit techy, which adds the extra bit of fun. Here there's a jump which I took around as I didn't know what it was like. Personally, I don't think going up to the top is worth it, but you can see for yourself. Here we're just coming out to the fire road on your right, which you walk up. There's a little jump there which you could do, or either roll down. Although it isn't the fastest, it's still pretty fun. You need to keep pedalling along this section as there's a few uphills and it's quite flat. There are a few routes in places which you can try and jump. You are just about to come up to the fire road, and then once you go over the fire road it's the middle section. Now let's see what the middle section is like. First, let's meet who I'm going to be riding for the middle and the bottom section. The start of the middle section is pretty tame, but then it gets more technical. There's a jump which we're just coming up to, which I recommend jumping, not rolling it, because otherwise you lose all your speed. This section is quite steep and rocky. After you've gone through all the rocks, then you have a steep down to the fire road. And that's the middle section done. Let's see what the bottom section is like.
You're pretty fast.
So let's see what the bottom section is like. You start off with a quite steep and technical section, then round a berm. Then we go into this really dusty and rocky, slippy section, and down into this gully. There's some roots on the side here which is quite technical. This section is really slippy as you're really deep down. Along here you can pick up your speed for then the next downhill section. But it's quite rooty and slippy. Although it might not look that technical, it's really slippy. You might be able to hear that with my tyres. And here I took the wrong line. I went straight over the top of a berm. And then didn't have enough speed for the jumps. The jumps are usually really nice, and I remember when I came down here before and I managed to get some good air on them. There were some nice berms to get you down to the bottom, and a person saying yeah. A road gap which you can clear if you have enough speed. And then that's the end. Overall, Ski Run is an amazing trail. It has loads of fun drops and jumps at the end, and lots of technical sections to keep you on your toes. I definitely recommend Ski Run, although it isn't one of the easiest trails. If you want one of the easiest trails, I recommend Sheepskull or Flatlands. Thank you for watching this video. As always, in my map related videos, I'll link the map that I use down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.